it's not random. The market doesn't move by accident. The logic is simple. If big players are buying, I'm with them. And it works perfectly. We are all gonna die someday, it's a fact, and the worst thing you can do to yourself is not fulfilling your potential. Some people might like me, some might not, it doesn't matter. The real question is, do you like yourself? Are you happy with what you have right now? Are you satisfied with how your life is going? What kind of car do you drive? Where do you go on your vacation? What kind of house or apartment do you live in? If you're not 100% satisfied or even 95%, then it's time to take control of your future. 2025 is the year of opportunities. Yes, your opportunities, and you're about to see why. My name is Evelyn and I'm a professional trader with 8 years of experience. Trading isn't just numbers on a screen for me. It's a real tool that can turn things around. If you keep up with financial news, you may have seen me on CNN or Breaking News, where I analyze financial trends. Throughout my career, I've executed over 800,000 trades, and my strategies have already helped over 40,000 people start seeing real results in trading. And today I want to share my new strategy, a strategy that I first designed for beginners. It's the same strategy that made me financially independent. And now I'll explain how you, yes, you can start using it today. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss out on this opportunity. Are you ready? Let's go! Before we begin, I have something for you, a tool that can truly form your financial future. 3 years ago, I created a private trading community on Telegram to help beginners start getting returns without complex charts, confusing terms, or overwhelming theory. Today, it has over 40,000 members. And here's what's important. All these people started from zero, yet they're already taking control of their future. How does it work? It's simple. You don't need to be an expert. All you need to do is join the live trading sessions I host. I'll show you exactly when to enter and exit trades, and you'll see everything in real time. You can start right now. Pause this video, click the link in the description, and join our community. It's one small step that can take you closer to financial independence. No theory, no false promises, just real results. The people in our community are already funding their dreams, traveling whenever they want, buying the cars they've always wanted, supporting their families, and upgrading their lifestyles. Why isn't this you yet? You can keep waiting, but while you hesitate, others are taking actions and getting results. The choice is yours. I'll see you in Telegram. The link to join is right below this video. Let's go. All right, let's jump onto the platform. I'll quickly pick the key participants. This pair. Yeah, perfect. I'll take this one too. And let's add another one. Now, to get the full picture, I'll use the RSI. It'll show me where the market is overbought or oversold. And of course, I'm setting everything up properly. Lines, colors, making it high contrast so everything's crystal clear. All set? Let's see what we've got here. Looking at the chart, I see a clear support level. Right here, it's already been tested multiple times and the candles keep bouncing off it. Is it important? Absolutely. This means buyers are holding the zone and preventing it from dropping lower. Check in the last few candles, long wicks at the bottom. That's a solid sign that sellers tried to break the level but got bought up at once. That means selling pressure is fading and the chances of an upward move are high. Going long. The logic is simple. If big players are buying, I'm with them. While this trade is running, here's a quick note. A lot of people think trading is just guessing. But when you understand what big savings are doing, everything gets way clearer. We trade based on logic, not emotions. Moving on, this setup is a bit different. Looking to the left on the chart, I see a candle that broke through the lower boundary and confidently pushed upward. That is already a signal of a trend reversal, but what's even more interesting is that the move isn't random. It's structured with clear corrections. That means it's not just random savings jumping in, but systematic buyers entering the market. I see a pullback, going in for a continuation upward. This gives me a better RR, risk to reward ratio, because I can set a tight stop loss, but with high potential. Oh, and I always double check for additional confirmations from other signals. Just because a candle moves up doesn't mean it's time to enter. It's crucial to understand movement structure. Situation is completely opposite. The RSI is an oscillator which shows overbought and oversold levels and is hitting the upper boundary. What does that mean? Buyers are losing strength. The market is overheated and a downward correction could start at any moment. Another confirmation. After every drop, there is only a single corrective candle upward. This suggests that buyers are slowly stacking positions, waiting for the right moment to push the candle down. I'm waiting for a small upward correction and going short. Remember, if you see position accumulation, it's not random. The market doesn't move by accident. Something feels off here. Let's check another pair. Yeah, this one looks better. Seeing another classic setup, a support zone around 0.59400. What's interesting here? First, the candles have long wicks at the bottom, a strong sign of aggressive buying at this level. Second, RSI is near the lower boundary, signaling a potential reversal. What's critical here? When a level has been tested multiple times, big players are likely defending it again. I see sellers struggling to push lower, meaning they're losing strength. Opening a long trade? My thoughts? Well, they will lose strength and bounce upward. Are you impressed? This is just the warm-up. Through years of trading, I've come to understand one simple truth. People make their own lives more complicated. They get stuck in doubt, delay decisions, and come up with excuses. But the real reason most people stay in the same place, they don't have a mentor. A mentor is what separates those who struggle for years from those who quickly level up. Once you realize this, your results will start growing faster than you ever thought possible. And here's what matters. In our Telegram trading community, I don't just share knowledge. I guide you step by step. This isn't just a chat. These are live trading sessions where you see everything happening in real time, ask questions, and receive 24/7 support. This is much more than YouTube content. It's access to strategies I can't share publicly. Real systems that transform the way you approach trading. So here's the simple question. Are you gonna stay on the sidelines or take action? Click the link in the description below this video and join while access is still open. The internet is huge. If you let this moment slip, we might never cross paths again. Don't waste time. I'm already waiting for you in the community. Looking at the chart, familiar setup. A candle has impulsively reached a resistance level that previously saw strong selling pressure. Additional confirmations. RSI is at the upper boundary. The market is overheated. Volume is dropping. Buyers are losing strength. The level has already held the candle before. High chance of a bounce. Expecting the candle to drop down. Did you see that? If you recognize repeating patterns, use them. The market moves with logic, not magic. After a drop, the price starts moving up within a channel. This means the bulls, buyers, are taking control. What's important here? The trend has shifted to an uptrend, but the candle hasn't broken out of the channel yet. The best entry point is from the lower boundary of the channel, where limit buy orders accumulate. I go up here. The logic is simple. Buyers have already shown strength, and the movement continues. Smart tip: never chase a move. It's always better to wait for a solid entry point. The market always gives opportunities. Here the candle makes a sharp move up and hits strong resistance at the 0.597 level. This is a key zone that has already triggered strong pullbacks before. What's important to consider? RSI is back at the upper boundary, meaning the market is overbought. The attempt to break through the level fails, indicating no buyers are left. I opened a short position. It works perfectly. The price touches the level once more before dropping sharply. Let's check out this pair. The market had a lateral movement for a while, meaning it's been building up energy. I see that the breakout downward happened without any pullbacks. This is crucial. Volume is increasing, which means large players are backing the move. I enter a short position because when the market makes a decision, it moves fast. I recognize a familiar pattern here, a consolidation zone forming near a key level. This means the market is gathering strength for the next momentum. Why am I going up? The market is an uptrend. The candle is bouncing off the lower boundary and rebounding from the level 50 on the indicator. No signs of buyer weakness, meaning there is a high chance of continued growth. I go up, taking advantage of a predictable entry point provided by the market. Here I see that buyers, bulls, have fully taken control of the market and the trend is gaining strength. What's important? The price is making new highs, confirming the bull's strength. RSI is already in the overbought zone, but there are no reversal signals yet. Since the trend remains strong, I go with it. I go up, the trend is continuing, and as long as the market isn't showing signs of reversal, the upward move is likely to continue. You just saw with your own eyes how this strategy works. This isn't theory or guesswork, it's a clear algorithm I use every day. But here's the difference. I have many strategies, different conditions, different market situations, but always the same principle: precision and discipline. The main question is, are you even ready to follow a system? Trading is simple. Either you follow a plan or you don't get results. I never stray from my trading plan. Clear entry, clear exit, and no unnecessary emotions. That's exactly why I trade live every day, breaking down every decision and explaining the logic behind every move. And you can be right there with me. 2 live trading sessions every day. Every trade comes with a full breakdown and analysis. The trading community gives you direct access to my expertise and people who are already in. Right now you have 2 choices. First, close this video, tell yourself, I'll think about it, and stay where you are. Second, make a decision, click the link in the description and join the community where you'll see and understand trading the way I do. This is your chance to learn and grow every day alongside those who are already getting results. I don't know how long the access will stay open, but if you are seeing this video, it means you still have a chance to get in. So you need to choose: take action or just watch. I'll be waiting for you in the community. And remember, trading comes with risks and nothing is guaranteed. Knowledge, training, and proven strategies are your greatest assets. See you soon!